Hey, Eco Warriors! Spring is finally here, and it's the perfect time to refresh not just our homes, but also our commitment to the planet. Today, I'm sharing 10 insanely creative, easy, and fun DIYs that will transform everyday waste into something beautiful and useful. Whether you're a sustainability pro or just dipping your toes into the eco-friendly lifestyle, you're going to love these projects. Stick around to the end because I've got a challenge for you that could get you featured in our next video. Let's jump in! Egg carton, potting soil, seeds, water. Cut an egg carton into individual cups. Fill each cup with potting soil and plant your seeds. Place them in a sunny spot and water regularly. When seedlings grow strong, plant the entire cup into the soil. It's biodegradable. Old floor lamp, wire hanging planter, soil, plants, spray paint optional. Remove the electrical components from an old floor lamp. Attach a wire planter or a deep bowl to the top. Fill with soil and plant your favorite flowers or herbs. Spray paint for a personalized touch. Repurposing old furniture reduces landfill waste and adds a unique design element to your space. Glass jars, tissue paper or paint, tea lights, twine. Decorate glass jars with tissue paper or eco-friendly paint. Secure twine around the rim to create a hanger. Place a tea light inside and hang in your garden. This DIY gives new life to old jars while reducing waste and enhancing your outdoor ambiance. Cardboard or heavy paper, glue, collected natural items. Go on a nature walk and collect beautiful fallen leaves, flowers, and twigs. Arrange them creatively on a piece of cardboard. Secure with glue and display your nature-inspired art. This is a perfect activity for kids and a way to appreciate nature's beauty while avoiding store-bought decorations. Old wooden pallets, soil, plants, screws, or nails. Stand a wooden pallet vertically and secure it to a wall. Add small planters or pockets of fabric to hold soil. Plant herbs, flowers, or small veggies. A vertical garden maximizes space and makes it easy to grow your own food sustainably. Wooden pallets, screws, hammer. Stack and secure pallets to form a sturdy seat and backrest. Sand down rough edges. Add outdoor cushions for comfort. By repurposing pallets, you prevent waste while creating budget-friendly, rustic furniture. Compost bin or tumbler, kitchen scraps, yard trimmings. Set up a compost bin in your backyard or balcony. Add fruit peels, coffee grounds, and plant waste. Turn the pile regularly and let nature do its work. Composting turns waste into nutrient-rich soil, reducing food waste and benefiting your garden. Terracotta pots, eco-friendly paint, brushes, plants. Paint and decorate old flower pots with eco-friendly designs. Let them dry before planting flowers or herbs. Display them on your windowsill or garden. Give new life to plain pots and avoid buying new plastic planters. Wooden birdhouse, non-toxic paint, brushes. Use non-toxic paint to decorate a plain birdhouse. Hang it in a tree to attract birds to your garden. Supporting local wildlife is a great way to encourage biodiversity in your backyard. Colorful paper, scissors, glue, floral tape. Cut paper into petal shapes and assemble them into flowers. Secure with floral tape. Arrange into a bouquet for a long-lasting, waste-free decoration. This is a perfect alternative to store-bought flowers that wilt quickly. And there you have it. 10 fun and sustainable ways to welcome spring. These projects are not just creative, they help reduce waste and make our planet greener. Which DIY was your favorite? Drop a comment below and share your eco-friendly creations using #EcoFriendlySpring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more sustainable living hacks. See you next time.